Outside is so good. Look at that. Yeah, it is sunny, but it's a little bit windy. Also, it's a little bit cold, maybe around 18 degrees. That is why I'm still wearing this kind of robe. Yeah. I went outside this morning, yeah, and yeah, I ran out of battery, so I go home. I'm actually preparing my meal. I'm hungry, and it's going to be just instant noodles. Oh, I actually have here some leftover roasted chicken. This is still hot. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but I will eat this first. Okay, now I'm having this. This is my third cup of coffee today. And at the moment I'm boiling this because I'm going to make a chicken macaroni. Yeah, this leftover chicken, I'm going to cut that. And I have some of this macaroni. I'm actually not going to do it today. I'll just boil this, and then when I have tomorrow, when I have time tomorrow, I will do that. Yeah, not today because I don't have any ingredients. I don't have mayonnaise. I have carrots, but the frozen one, and it's a mixed vegetable. Yeah, this much. I'm going to keep this in the chicken. Hold on.
Yourself, this is the greatest love of all. Good morning, guys. Yeah, we're going to work now at 5:31 when I left the house, and as you can see, the sun is rising on that side. You see the changes in the color. Yeah, later on it's going to be red, orange, and beautiful. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock. So yeah, like what I always say, I am now working back to normal. I mean, we are all back to normal now. We are working the regular, normal hours. If you can see this is a microphone. I don't know if the vibration of the bike, yeah, the sound of the wheel is maybe being captured by this microphone. Bird is trying to catch me again. Oh, we are going to the grocery today because I am going to buy a mayonnaise for our chicken salad, chicken macaroni salad. We're going to take one of these raisins. Yeah, $3.75. And we're going to take one of this, the cheapest mayonnaise. Home brand is just $3, 770 grams. We are also going to take one of these. This is already grated, $3. No, not this one. We got the cheap one. Look at that, there is one cute dog. Yo, it is now 3:15. Yeah, and I'm now preparing the chicken macaroni salad that I'm going to make.
this leftover roasted chicken and macaroni that I cooked yesterday, and the raisins, the carrots, and the mayonnaise. Yeah. And I have the egg inside while cooking the rice. And I'm going to take some of this. Yeah, because I'm going to eat rice. Yeah, I don't have any more shrimp paste. So I put some water, like washing it, and I will put it here. And like always, I'm going to put some frozen mixed vegetable. Okay, we're going to eat first. Then we continue that later. Okay. Yeah, the news is finished. And it's already 7:35. Yeah, I will be here in the computer. And you know, there's very strong wind outside, maybe more than 100 kilometers per hour. Yeah, the speed of the wind. Yeah, and in the news there is a quick something like this in Sydney, and there are some incidents of yeah, not good. Okay, we're going to continue the salad. Actually, this is a lot. Yeah, because this is too much. So yeah, I'm going to put this in the freezer. And this is what I am going to make a salad. And if you remember, I have this cheese. I can now add some of this mayonnaise. Look at this, looks so delicious. Looks like a sweet salad. Okay, now it's time to taste it. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Not far from the regular salad. It's just alright. Not the same taste like the Filipino salad. I think the Filipino salad one has milk, condensed milk. Yeah, you can hear the sound, the noise of the wind. If we open this door, look at. Oh, it's window, not door.
Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, at the moment we are here. We are going to work now. Yeah, it's really windy. I mean, when I was on my bed, waking up from time to time because some things are banging around. Yeah, outside the house. I can also hear the sound of the, the banging of the leaves. Yeah, really windy. You see the water? It's moving. Yeah, okay, we go. Okay, we go this inside here so that there's not so much wind. But I'm also a little bit worried because maybe there are some broken trees that will drop on me. And the sun is rising now. Outside I am against the wind, so it is making me slow. Look at that, it's beautiful. Good morning. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. I sign out at 2:15 and it's still very windy. That started last night until now.
Yeah, that's the time already, 3:10, 15 or what? Yeah, 3:12. And I actually eat already the salad and I want more. Yeah, this one tastes more delicious than yesterday. Look at this, I already eat half of it and now I'm taking more. Yeah, it's really delicious. If you want to try something like this, you should try. Try to Google chicken macaroni salad Filipino style.
Yo, good morning guys. It is another day. Yeah, I'm going to work. Today is really beautiful again. No more windy like yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was really windy. Not so good in biking. I was against the wind and didn't really go very fast. And then I asked my colleague. Yeah, he said, yeah, you can feel it too even if you are in the car. You feel like someone is holding you when in the car. Okay, we go. Okay, we get out from the highway. We go this way. Yeah, there are long staying cars in here because I saw this car yesterday. Also that one. I saw that car yesterday. Look at that beautiful. Yeah, the sun is rising on that side. Yeah, if I know how to drive, for sure I'm also going to do what they are doing. Yo, good afternoon guys. I just finished my duty. And yeah, Kuya Ruel and Ate Aw is waiting for me in here.